Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be unboxing this racing simulator cockpit. So we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's your close-up on everything that comes in the box. Some assembly required. And of course it comes with a little baggies of hardware, all the bracketry you need, and then of course the seat itself, and the instruction manual. Feel free to pause the video as you need if you'd like to see a more detailed view. It just shows you how everything goes together. Obviously you need a couple tools for this. And the optional screen display there, and then all your cautions and all the different languages. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below. We'll see you next time.